Hello and welcome, my name is Andrew. Welcome to my channel Ginger Camper, and in this video I'm going to share with you just how to take the wire basket out of the Volkswagen California fridge. So on my channel, I'm going to be sharing with you some product reviews, travel videos, tips and tricks, and some how-tos just like this one about everything which is going to be related to the Volkswagen California, RVs, camping and van life in general. So if any of that content suits you or you're interested in any of that, please consider subscribing. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have seen this question been asked many times on the Volkswagen California forums and out on the Facebook groups as well, and it's how to remove the wire basket from the fridge in the Volkswagen California. It seems quite simple. It is very simple, but it did take me 4 years to actually figure it out as well. So I do think this is a valid question, and I hope this video is going to help someone in the future as well. So let's try this. Let's do this. Okay, so in here we have the fridge in the Volkswagen California. This is a 12-volt compressor fridge, and when we open it up, just like this, we have a basket. Now, the common thing that most people try to do with the basket, and something that I was doing for many times and many years, is try to twist it to get out, because it doesn't, you know, it's not the easiest thing in the world to get in and out. Or is it? You just saw me put it in there very simply. I've seen many times as well on the forums that people say you have to lift it up, you rotate it, and it will come out. The best and easiest way to do it is bring it to this side of the fridge, away from the actual strut, so you don't get stuck on the strut. And what you do is you're going to lift it up slightly, pull it all the way to the back wall, and then lift it out just like that. It is that simple. And to put it in, we do exactly the same, just like that. That is the easiest way to take the basket out of the fridge, and probably the only way you should do it. I did it many times by twisting it, but this has to be by far the best and easiest way to do it. So if this has been of any use to you, please like this video and also subscribe for any more. And thank you for watching.